clear then. So I'm going to open the launch the Eclipse. So guys, see, already we have discussed about the how to install, and this the platform we have need to refer. Already we have covered. So once installed, you will open the Eclipse. Then this is the UI or the interface of this Eclipse. So here the file section, the edit section, source section. Source is nothing, we don't need to write a method or function, it can provide. You can just click on the over implementation method, get a set of method. Source, we are redefine so many things, we can use that. And this is the file section. Here we can create the new file. There is the subsection, Java project, Maven project, packages, classes, interface, records, annotation, source. This is the all files we can create. Open file already we have, you can click on this one, it will give the, you can import or you can open the particular file. And then is the open project file system. Already if you have import or the already zip file of the project of any project, you can directly click on this one, click on the directory, you can directly import your zip file, project zip file or project folder. It is all about the project folder. Okay, and come to the recent file. This is the file which is currently is there. And close editor, it will close the editor. There is the few the keys we use, the control W, control shift W, and save as. If you are save as, so it will save in your directory, work directory, like name with the class name or anything. If you want to .java, .java is the extension of the file, it will give the .java. Okay, then come to the refresh the page, convert the line of the delimiters to window. This is the use, you can use directly. This is the print, this is the import, export. Let's suppose if you have any project in your work directory or the anything you want to import, so you can use, click on the import, you will come here and you can import like file system, journal, file system, anything else you can use in that way. Or if you want to export, you want to export your folder, so you can export directly in that way. Which one folder? Let's suppose the Java one. This one is the test bin source hello. If you want to export this one, so you can just directly come here in this way. Just click on this way that, or you can just click on this one and come here and export this, and next and next. Okay, then you come on the side which we have path we have given. Right, we can see that export common document. Hello Java template. In this folder we are getting the whole the project in this one. Okay, got it my point. And this is the exit, it is the restart. If you want to if you want to switch in the other one space, you can switch from there. And this one is the edit, delete, select, extend the selection. This is the cut, copy, paste, or undo, redo. Find place, you can use directly. This is the keys, control F, find F, control K, find next, and find control shift A, find previous, increment, find extra. This is the edit section. You can see this is come to the source folder. Here is the source folder. You can see the so many things, we don't need to write like that. Now see, come to the source folder, all the tabs are active now or enabled now. Then see, override, the implement method, generate, getter and setter method, getter or setter method we will discuss in the Java classes, right? So you can see all the things. Generate to string, generate the constructor using field, generate the constructor from superclass, use the try catch block, try catch source. Just nothing what you have need to do. Let's suppose now your control is here and you come here, or you want to come here, you use kind of see, if you want to get a certain method, operation is not applicable to correct selection, select the field is declare. Yeah, so if somewhere you will write a correct method or function, then it will work. Let's see why it will work in this case. When we declare any function, no, it is not applicable here. Once we will write a proper code, then it will be able to generate. Because before the generate the getter setter method, we have need to initialize the variable, no? Into or what kind of variable we want to. So once we have need to initialize on the variable, then the getter setter method will be function will be declared. So in this way, you can use all the predefined functions directly. This is all the function you can go. Come to the navigate. Navigate section is the go to previous, next, or the open direction and open type. Open type is nothing, whatever the you can type here, you can see the all the matches. Open type, let's suppose this is the very small, or you are not able to see anything in this folder. But what will happen when you are working on the large project, then you will not find where is the function, so you can use the open type. And the open resource, open discover type, open task, activation task, deactivation task, open setup like installation, workspace, all the things. All this is, I think these things don't need too much required while the you work on the framework. Very simple basic things. Okay, and come on to the project. Project like build the working site, clean and build automatically, generate build automatically, kind, and generate java doc and properties file. Properties file is nothing, you can set your editor or the things in according yourself, like link resource or the resource file, builder, coverage, or one of the option is a java editor, how you want to comments, header comments, imports, acting features, save actions, how you want to, how it will format on lines, you can check on the project nature java. And if your company using another language, so you can add that commit template, commit. This is the all, you know, when you are aligned with the project or you're working on the, you will work on that, you will use this kind of all the things, okay, how your code will be looks like, you know, within the frame, within the team you work on that. Then what you will see, okay, they are using one standard, like all the extra, no extra space line, no comment line, you have need to clear neat and clean code. That time you will format or you will edit your these properties, or you will set your properties file. Then once you will apply and close, then it will work accordingly, or whatever you will edit or you will add, automate or develop in Eclipse, then your code will be according to your properties file, or according whatever you have set in the settings in editor. Okay, java compiler, annotation processing build. So this is the whatever you have enabled, whatever you are not able, sometimes it is default in all system, but you have added or you can set according yourself. Then is the run, the way you can run your file, like run and debug mode. Debug mode is nothing, just click on this one. Now let's suppose this is the one, whenever your script will, while the running this script, your step come in this step, it will stop. This is the meaning of the debug. That's it. And run history, how many times we have run as, run configuration, debug history, run configuration, set you can how your run should be work, like before method, after method, which method should be cut, which environment you have need to, like staging environment, smoke environment, or the kind of environment your run should be work. So all kind of setup you can add it in the run configuration, as well as you can done all these basic things at your script level. This is the board level. And this is the very important part window. Some of the time we are doing in the Eclipse, then we are confusing, this panel is removed, this panel is removed, this panel is removed, then that time we are little confusing how it is going on. So come in the window section, you know guys, no one will explain in the good way, or no one will guide you how we are doing,